In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on Hootsuite in 2025. Whether you're managing multiple social media accounts or just looking to enhance your social media presence, knowing how to tag people effectively is essential. So let's dive right in. First, let's get started by heading over to hootsuite.com and logging into your account. Before we can begin tagging, it's crucial that you ensure all your social media accounts are connected within Hootsuite. This includes platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. It's a good practice to double check your connections to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new post. Look for the Create Post or New Post option in the top right corner of your Hootsuite dashboard. Once you click on this, you'll need to decide which social media account or accounts you'd like to post from. Choose carefully, especially if you manage several profiles. With your account selected, it's time to add your content. Upload your media, be it a photo, video, or some other type of file. Then craft your caption or post text. This part should resonate with your intended audience, so take your time and be creative. Next, let's move on to tagging, which varies slightly depending on the platform. Starting with Instagram, you can tag people directly in your caption by typing the @ symbol followed by their username. Additionally, for feed posts, there's an option to click Tag People and select the person right on the image. For LinkedIn, tagging is straightforward. In your post text, type the @ symbol and begin entering the person's name. A drop-down list will appear, allowing you to select the correct profile. When tagging on Facebook, type the @ symbol followed by the name of the person or page you wish to tag. As you type, Facebook will suggest profiles or pages, making it easy to select the right one. Lastly, for Twitter, it's as simple as typing @ followed by the username within your post to mention someone. With your tags in place, it's crucial to review them. Ensure all usernames are correct and verify that the accounts you're tagging allow mentions or tagging. This step helps avoid any mishaps or errors. Finally, you're ready to either schedule your post or publish it immediately. Choose Schedule for later if you want your post to go live at a specific time, or select Post now to publish it right away. Confirm all your settings and then hit Schedule or Post, and there you have it.